this is Sherry with CPR, Craft, Pray, Repeat. And I wanted to share with you a couple treat bags I made. And I'm going to share this first one. And it is something I'm going to take to the lady who will be drawing my blood tomorrow when I go for my blood work. And I told my daughter that she wasn't going to get this unless she was really good and got my blood on the first try. Which is not the truth. I will give it to her anyways. But I'm really hoping she gets it on the first try. And these bags are from BB Craft, as well as these little garment pins. And they do have pink that would have matched the bag, but I wanted there to be just a little pop of color. So I picked green from the tag. And I will zoom you in here so that you can get a better look at the tag. Okay, this is the little tag, and this is from Knitwick Collections called Forest Friends. And then I just wrote, "Thanks, dear," as my little sentiment. And absolutely have fallen in love with this collection. I will be doing an on-the-go card craft kit with it later on. But for now, I used it to make the tag. And I just filled this up with some Easter candies. And it's just my way of saying thank you. I know that they really have a job that nobody appreciates. Nobody wants to have done. You know, so I'm trying to be nice when I don't want to be there either. But we're going to go in with a good attitude. I don't know whose attitude it's going to be. It probably won't be me with a good one because I have to be there at 7 in the morning. But I'm going to do my best. So this is the one that I made to give to them, and I will link these bags as well as the garment pin. And like I said, I could have used a pink and it would have blended in perfectly with the bag, but I wanted to, you know, give it just that little pop of color. So I went ahead and picked the green for the green in the grass there that the deer's laying in. And I'll be right back with the next one. Here are my Easter treat bags for the fire department. They were super easy to do. These bags, you can buy them in quantities up to 100 if you want. They also have smaller quantities, but you can get it up to 100 if you're going to, you know, need a lot of them. Again, the little bunny is from Knitwick Collections Forest Friends. And then I just put Happy Easter. And again, for that little pop of color, I picked the blue to match the flowers on the bunny. And then I just filled it with some Easter candy. And I've got the fire department already done. So that's good. And then I will be doing the police department. And I will be doing some for the sheriff's department, for the sheriff himself, for Officer Crutchfield. And the mayor lives just a couple houses down, so we thought we would do an Easter treat for him, but not the whole sheriff's department this time. The 130 some from Valentine's was enough. That's going to be like a once a year deal, not an every holiday deal. But Officer Crutchfield, we can't leave out, man. We love him too much. So, and I felt so bad. I sent him that it's in the hop video that I did. I'll link it in the description box. And it was a candy bouquet. And it had all kinds of candy on top of this personal size bottle of Coke. He's a diabetic. I didn't know. Oh, I felt so bad when I found out. So whatever we do for him for Easter will be sugar-free. And I just haven't quite figured out what yet, but I will come up with something for him because we won't leave him out. And but this was just it. Real simple tag. I used this punch from Stampin' Up, and it's called their Wide Oval. I don't know if they still carry it. It's 2 by 1 3/8 of an inch. And that's what I used to punch out this one, as well as, you know, the little deer. And these are just so cute. And again, on the bunny, I used the blue pen, and then I use the green garment pen for the deer. But I just didn't want to lose the pen. I wanted it to pop too. You know, if I'm going to put it on there, I want it to, you know, to be able to be seen and noticed. And because I think that's kind of the cool part about them, is that there are so many colors to choose from. I think there's 12 different colors in there. I'm not sure. I'll link them so you can go check them out. But I love that they had, you know, all different colors. And so this was a super easy one. This would be great for co-workers, teachers, your kid's class, because the bags were not expensive. And you know, a punch and a little image, and you've got, you know, you wouldn't even have to do an image. You could put Happy Easter from and then your kid's name. Would be a really cute little gift for the teacher or your co-workers, you know. Put that and Happy Easter from and then your name beneath it. So they would just, there's lots of ways that you can use these bags. I used one of them, a brown one, in my card craft kit. And I had gotten the brown ones for fall. But again, they can be used all year long. So I love it. I love these bags. I will be getting more of them from them in the future. They've got a real pretty red that I want for Christmas. So, and I'm going to start working on my Christmas projects here soon. My Christmas tags, so that I can be ready to have plenty for my friends and family. So be on the lookout for those. I think a lot of you enjoyed those last year. And so I hope to do more of them again this year. I will link the bags, the pins, the Knitwit collections, everything I can think of. The candy was just Easter candy that I got at Winn-Dixie. They've already got it out, so good to go. I can get things ready and not have to worry about, you know, what if something happens. And because Mariah's been sick, she's doing better, but not as well as I wish. So I want to be ahead of the game here. So if something happens, I have everything ready, and Danae and Jessie could deliver the stuff to the firemen and the policemen. So, but that's it, guys. Super, super cute little images. I love them and have fallen in love with Knitwit collections. Go check them out. You will definitely find something that you like. Alright, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. What are you waiting for? I love doing videos for you guys. So please hit that subscribe button and join this little group we have here. Everybody is wonderful. I have the best subscribers in the world. So hit that button and join along with us. Remember to practice your CPR. Craft, pray, repeat. Thanks for visiting me today, and happy crafting. Love you all. Bye.